Hey y'all, let's cook something right quick. So on Facebook, I saw this recipe for coconut curry salmon and coconut kiwa. For the salmon, you need salmon, olive oil, coconut milk, red curry paste, soy sauce, grated ginger, garlic, and lime. For the kiwa, coconut milk, cup of water, and salt. So you're gonna cook your kiwa first, bring it to a boil, and then turn it down, let it simmer, cover it up. Then cook your salmon 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. Once it get golden brown, take it out the skillet, set it aside, put all that other stuff for the salmon mix in there to make the sauce, put the salmon back in there, be careful, don't make a mess like I did. And here's what the finished product will look like. I add a few beans to it. Let's taste and see. Let's try the kiwa first. Kiwa is good. When they said coconut, I knew it was gonna be busting. It's on. All right, let's try the salmon. Salmon was good. I don't like fat fish, y'all, but hey, that right there was pretty good. Needed a little salt on it, so I added some salt. Baby, when I tell you, it was pretty good. It was pretty doggone good. So good, make you do a little happy dance. Yeah, so go on, cook you some of that. I'll leave a link to the recipe in the comment section if you're interested. Bye!